Hello, everyone, and welcome to Kuwait City. And yes, I'm back here, and I'm going to be doing your week 6, and it's very exciting because you should be seeing some result. Obviously, it's been 6 weeks you've been doing it with me, so definitely you should see some difference. Je suis donc au Koweït de nouveau et on va attaquer la semaine 6. Et comme je disais, vous devriez voir une différence puisque on en est à la semaine 6 maintenant et j'espère que vous aviez pris les photos auparavant. Okay, are we ready? Let's go on the mat. Today, we don't need anything. You're going to lengthen your spine. Aujourd'hui, on n'a besoin de rien. You're going to lengthen your spine from here, feet in parallel. And I'm going to reach down very slowly. Je vais légèrement descendre et je remonte tout doucement. We're going to lengthen the spine as you're doing that. So reaching down and coming up very gently. We're waking up the spine. On est en train de réveiller la colonne vertébrale, surtout au niveau des lombaires. On étire et on repart. And then we're going to come up. Now I'm going to extend my arms in front. I'm going to reach down, tuck under, stay. Maintenant, je reste là. J'ai toujours les pieds en parallèle. Je vais ouvrir la main et je reviens. I'm going to open my arms to the side and I'm coming back. What I don't want you to do is to move your hips as you're opening your arms to the side. On ne va pas commencer à ouvrir au niveau de la hanche. Quand on ouvre et on revient, on contrôle en fait. You can follow it with your eyes. So I am following with my eyes. Je suis avec les yeux, donc je suis la main avec les yeux. Last one, le dernier. And I come back up, lengthening your spine. Good, beautiful. You're going to extend your legs and you're going to flex your feet. We're going to reach over. On va fléchir les pieds. On va aller au-dessus des pieds avec les bras. Et on va redescendre tout doucement. Now we're going to lengthen, but reaching down very slowly as you're doing that. So you really want to lengthen your spine even when you're going back. And reach over. Inhale, come up. Exhale. Use your core to come back up. Flex your feet and reach over. On étire la colonne vertébrale. On va redescendre tout doucement. Maintenant, on peut se mettre en position pointing your feet. Et tout doucement, on descend, on ne va pas vite. Et c'est le problème que je vois en général. Les gens vont beaucoup trop vite. On étire, on revient, on inspire. Quand je vais expirer, je contracte les abdominaux et je reviens en avant. Je fléchis les pieds. J'essaye d'avoir la tête au niveau des genoux et je redescends. On inspire, on expire. We're not forgetting to breathe. We're going slowly inhaling, exhaling. As you're exhaling, you use your core to come. You're flexing your feet. You're going over. And come back, lengthen your spine. Good. Now from here, we're going to reach back down again, and I'm going to lengthen one leg away. The other leg is straight down on the floor and I'm going to stretch. Maintenant, on va faire les étirements. Donc, je vais ramener la jambe vers moi. Je veux vraiment allonger et étirer derrière le genou si on peut. So, we're going to lengthen even more the leg. And then we're going to reach down and we do the same on the other side. That leg's coming and reaching here. Bring the legs towards you. Try to really lengthen behind the knee. On étire, on étire, on étire. On inspire, on expire. And I always find, unfortunately, that people do concentrate on strength when flexibility is important, I would say it's as important, if it's not even more important, for your body. And then we swap side et on change de côté. On inspire, on expire. Je disais qu'en général, les gens, ils font beaucoup plus dans tout ce qui est les exercices, la force, etc. Alors qu'en fait, les étirements sont beaucoup plus importants pour notre corps. Et on change. On inspire, on expire et on redescend. Then I'm going to relax completely here. Good. Can you see me? I'm in a tiny space here. I hope you can see everything. Je suis dans une toute petite salle en fait. J'ai décidé, c'était mon bureau maintenant. Je leur ai pris cette salle. Now you're going to extend both of the legs. One is going up. We're going to go for our circle. You're going to lengthen first. I'm going to go in and circle, come up and one. On fait des cercles. Je vais aller en cercle. Je ramène et un. Et on le refait. En fait, on en est déjà à 3. We had 3, then 4. Now, guys, it's important that you don't have to make the circle too big. You want to feel it really from the hip socket and reach. Now, if this is too much, you can do the same by bending your knee and you doing exactly the same. Si c'est trop difficile quand on étire la jambe, on peut plier le genou et faire exactement la même chose. Then stay here, lengthen even higher. On va vraiment étirer, étirer, étirer. Maintenant, je vais fléchir et pointing le pied. Point and flex, point and flex, point, flex, point, flex. Et on va faire des petits cercles avec la cheville. We're making circle with your ankle joint and then reverse. And it's much harder because we don't use them. And come back. Bend the knee, reach down. Good. All right. Are we ready for the other side? Bend the knee. On plie le genou. On étire. C'est parti. On fait la même chose de l'autre côté. On étire vraiment derrière le genou. On va descendre et on remonte. On n'est pas obligé de faire des grands mouvements. Surtout si on commence à bouger le pelvis, le bassin. So we're not moving the pelvis as we're doing that. I want you to really imagine that you're lengthening that leg up to ceiling. And again. Et de l'autre côté. On inspire, on expire, on inspire, on expire. Et on remonte. I'm going to really lengthen behind the knee. I'm reaching behind the knee. Lengthening. Good. Reaching down. And relax down completely. Good. Okay. Now, both of your legs are going up to ceiling. Maintenant, les deux jambes vont monter là-haut. La première et la deuxième. Et on étire. We're going to bend from the knees and extend again. Press the lower back down. Maintenant, je vais plier les genoux. Par contre, ce que je fais, c'est que je pousse le bas du dos contre le tapis. On inspire, on expire. Quand on expire et qu'on étire les jambes en haut, au plafond, je veux qu'on appuie le bas du dos contre le tapis. When you're going to extend the legs, I want you to press the lower back down on your mat. Inhaling. Now, as you're exhaling, press it down, press it down. Inhaling, exhaling, press it down, press it down. I want you to think about it. C'est à vous d'y penser et à pousser le bas du dos contre le tapis. and come back. Stay here. Now, from here, you've got the option of having the lower back down, which is imprinting, or you can go into an arch in your back. Maintenant, on a le choix. Soit on met le bas du dos au sol, ou soit on a un petit creux dans le bas du dos, and it's okay too. We're going to pull the abdominals, and one leg is going to reach down, but watch the other one. It's staying here. It's not moving. Then I'm going to bring it back. Relax your shoulders. Inhaling, we go down. Do not move your pelvis. Maintenant, c'est très important de ne pas bouger le bassin. So, if you kind of new to this movement, I'm going to ask you to have the lower back down. It's going to save your back, especially if you do have back problem or if you're not strong enough. Donc, pour cet exercice en général, surtout si c'est votre première fois ou si vous avez des problèmes de dos, je demande que le bas du dos soit contre le tapis parce qu'on travaille vraiment les abdominaux profonds here. We're really working on your deep abdominals. Inhaling, exhaling, and come back. We're going to make circles. And they are like little exercises, and you probably think, oh my God, this is so easy. But when you make them properly, I can tell you they're really deep. And it makes a whole difference, you know, if you want to go fast and not having that flat tummy you're all craving, or if you want to take your time. And we go to the other side. And come back here. Good. Now, we're going to place our hands behind. On va placer les mains derrière la tête. On va remonter. Et je vais vous demander d'avoir les coudes sur les côtés. Still in that position here. Now, if it's too much at home, you can have your feet down on the floor. Si en fait c'est trop à la maison, si vous sentez que c'est beaucoup trop difficile, on peut avoir les pieds au sol et on va remonter un par un. D'accord? But it's week 6. So come up here. Lift up from the shoulders. And it's usually what I see people doing that. So I want you to lift here. Elbows to the side. Reach down and come back. Before you're asking, am I imprinting or in neutral? I'm actually imprinting because right now, both of my legs are up. So I'm pressing down into my lower back to protect my back. Donc là, je pousse au niveau du bas du dos, au niveau des lombaires, pour protéger le dos en fait. And reach. On garde les coudes sur les côtés, on remonte vraiment au niveau des épaules. Et c'est en général le problème que je vois, les gens commencent à redescendre. Et c'est le plus important pour moi. On reste là. Your abdominals run from the ribs down to your pubic bone. That's it. There is no abdominals in your head. I know, I say it all the time, but I see that all the time as well. Il n'y a pas d'abdominaux au niveau de la nuque. Il n'y en a pas. Ils sont au niveau ribs. Come on, guys, help me. Ribs. How do you say ribs? Les côtes, ici, en haut, jusqu'au niveau du périnée. Elbows to the side. And come back and relax back down. Woo! I'm sure you're feeling that. Okay, come back up. We're going to come back up. We're going to go for rolling like a ball. So I hope you've got a nice mat. On va faire rolling like a ball et j'espère que vous avez un bon tapis parce que sinon ça fait mal au dos. Now, tuck under and we're going to roll down to your shoulders and come back up. Your feet are up here. On va aller au niveau des épaules et on revient. Par contre, mes pieds restent en haut. Ils vont pas en bas. Et on y va. On inspire, on expire. Je trouve qu'il faut toujours en faire 2-3 avant de faire le bon. On inspire, on expire. On essaye de ne pas aller au niveau de la nuque. On inspire, on expire. On inspire, on expire et on revient. Très bien. Now from here, I'm going to extend one leg, then the other one. We're trying, okay? On va essayer d'étirer les deux jambes. On va plier et on le fait de nouveau. On étire les deux jambes. Et peut-être on ne pourra pas le faire aujourd'hui, mais c'est rien et on va essayer. On inspire, we're going to try. It doesn't mean that you're going to do it today, but more you're going to do it, better you get. And here it's a lot with your flexibility. It's abdominals, yes, but it's flexibility as well. And reach. On inspire, on expire. Et de nouveau, j'inspire et j'expire. Et je reviens. Très bien. All right, on your knees. Maintenant, au niveau des genoux. I'm going to press down into my hands, and you want to make sure your shoulders is underneath your wrist, and same with your pelvis and your knees. Now from here, press down into your hands, pull your tummy, and you're going to tuck under, and your head is going to be in between your hands. Maintenant, je vais appuyer très très fort au sol, et je vais placer ma tête entre les bras, et je reviens. So we're doing the opposite now. Your palms sticking up, open the chest. And again, and reach. On inspire, on expire. On fait exactement la même chose. Donc, the cat and reach. This is a good exercise to be doing when you've got back problem. But once again, you do not need to go fast. And come back to center. On revient au milieu maintenant. On contracte les abdominaux. Maintenant, je vais étirer une jambe et j'essaye de la garder au même niveau que la hanche. Et par contre, les deux hanches facing down. Donc, en direction vers le bas. I'm going to make sure my pelvis is in neutral position and my hips are facing down as I'm keeping that leg here. Then I'm reaching down and up here. And down. I do not need to go high. Can you see the difference? On n'a pas besoin d'aller trop parce que quand on va haut, tout de suite, boom, the hips is opening and it's not what I want. On garde la hanche fermée, pas ouverte. Up and down. I'm still pressing on my hand, donc je pousse au niveau des mains. Ensuite, je vais plier le coude, je vais fléchir le pied et je vais le monter. And two. Same, I don't need to open the hip. J'ai pas besoin d'ouvrir la hanche. C'est exactement la même chose là. J'essaie de garder le genou au même niveau que la hanche. I'm trying to keep my knee to the same level as my hip here. And reach. Come on, we can do it. We can do it. And then reach down and up again. On fait exactement la même chose. Là, maintenant, je descends au niveau du genou et je remonte le genou au niveau de la hanche. I'm bringing my knee down to my opposite knee, and then I'm bringing my knee back to the same level as my hip. No more than that. Inhaling, exhaling. Inhaling, exhaling. Then extend again. On va étirer de nouveau. Et on reste là. On inspire, on expire. Et on ramène le genou tout doucement. Woo! Are you feeling it? You can just move your hips side to side. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Let me go on that side. This way you can see it better. Okay, ready? We do exactly the same. We're going to extend the leg first and lift it. Remember, it's at the same level as your hip and you're keeping your hip facing down. On ramène le pied au même niveau que la hanche. Pas plus haut, juste au même niveau. Et les deux hanches are facing down. Then I'm going to reach down on the floor and lift up. And down and up. Pull your tummy. On contracte les abdominaux, comme ça permet, parce que bon, bah, c'est back extension, une extension du dos. Ça permet de protéger le dos. So you're pulling from your tummy to protect your lower back. That's basically what I was saying. Now, come here. You're going to bend your knee, flex your foot. Keep the knee to the same level as your hip and reach up very slowly and up. We don't need to go fast. On n'a pas besoin d'aller vite. On veut voir le résultat, oui ou non? If you want to see results, you have to take your time. Good. Let's do it. On inspire, on expire. On inspire, on expire. Je pousse très fort au niveau des bras. On inspire, on expire. Then my knees coming down again and reaching up. Remember here, the knee is going to your opposite knee. Then my knee is coming back up to the same level as my hip. Je descends le genou au même niveau que l'autre genou et ensuite je remonte. Je remonte, je remonte. Et je redescends. Et je remonte. Et je redescends. Et je remonte. On inspire. On expire. Et là, je suis sûre que vous le sentez. Parce que moi, je le sens aussi. I'm sure that you're feeling it now because I do feel it. I do feel it. And again. And come back. We're going to extend the legs. Stay. Stay here. On reste là. And bring it back. Woo! Are we feeling it? Okay, come back into your cat. On refait the cat. And then arching your back, open the chest. And press down. Head between your arms if you can. And come back up. And again. And come back. And come back to center. Good. Are you still with me? Okay. We need to work on our arms. We haven't been working on our arms for a little while. On va travailler sur les triceps maintenant. On est prêt? So, on va se mettre en position assis. And I'm going to place my hands behind me. I'm going to lift up my bum. Je vais soulever les fessiers et je vais fléchir les coudes et je remonte. So I'm going to bend my elbows and then reach. And again, bend and extend. Bend and extend. Bend, extend, bend, stay here. On va rester là maintenant, on ne bouge plus. On inspire, on expire. On inspire, on expire. And tiny pulses if we can. Des tout petits battements, tout petits. And come back. Oh, can you feel that? Okay, that's what's your first set. We need 3 sets. C'était le premier set, il nous en faut 3. Bah oui, hein. On veut voir du changement, non? So, we've got no choice if we want to see difference, yeah? All right. And don't tell me your wrist hurting because my one too. We need to get them stronger. Ok, c'est parti. On le refait. On refait exactement la même chose. Les pieds en parallèle, on ramène les fessiers. On descend les coudes et on remonte. On descend et on remonte. On inspire, on expire et on sourit. We're still smiling because it really works better when you do smile. Yeah, apparently. And again. Then hold it, but one leg over and hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Ouais, je sais, avec le pied au-dessus de l'autre jambe, c'est beaucoup plus difficile. On a toujours les coudes pliés, hein? Je vous vois. And relax. Okay. That was your second one. C'était le deuxième. On est parti pour le troisième? C'est parti. Les pieds en parallèle. Je remonte. I'm going to lift up. And I'm just starting here for now. So we're bending and we're lifting. We're bending and we're lifting. Bend and lift. Bend and lift. Bend, come on, we can do it. And lift, then this foot is coming here. It's actually a nice stretch here on your hip joint. Stay here. Bend your elbows. Est-ce qu'on les plie les coudes? Oui, c'est bien. We're only getting better. And come back. Come back completely, lengthening your spine. Okay, are we ready now to stretch your hip flexors? You're going to have one foot in front, and here I'm going to stretch here. So you want to lengthen the spine, lengthen the leg, lengthen the hip flexors. Là, on étire les fléchisseurs de la hanche. On étire la colonne vertébrale, on étire tout en fait. And then place your knee down and you're going to come up a little bit more and press. Now I'm trying not to be on my kneecap, I'm slightly above the kneecap. Okay? Donc je ne suis pas complètement sur le genou là, je suis légèrement au-dessus du genou. Et l'avantage, the main thing is to really lengthen first. Then only you can do it. It's the same on the reformer. It's basically the same concept. You want to stretch first, and then boom, we go here. And that's the only way you're going to stretch your hamstring. Then we're going to extend here. This is for your hamstring. The other one was your hip flexors. Maintenant, on fait les ischio-jambiers. You can flex if you want to. You're going to feel it on your calf muscle. On peut fléchir le pied, là on va le sentir direct au niveau des calf muscles. And we go to the other side. We do exactly the same on the same side. On the other side, I mean, oh my God, I can't talk today. All right, let's do it. We're going to extend here. So you see you're extending first. Donc on étire, on étire, on étire. And it's only when I'm nice and stretched that I'm going to bring that leg down. On inspire, on expire. Donc je vais étirer la jambe en premier, j'étire les fléchisseurs de la hanche et c'est seulement quand ils sont bien étirés que je vais descendre le genou. Et encore une fois, je ne suis pas sur le genou, je suis légèrement au-dessus du genou. On inspire, on expire et on étire les ischio-jambiers, cette fois-ci dans l'autre jambe. On inspire, on expire. Et vous pouvez certainement le sentir au niveau des lombaires, au niveau du bas du dos. You really feel it as well on the back of the lower back. And then you come back here. It wasn't that bad, was it? Then we're going to reach to the side, beautiful stretch. C'était pas si mal que ça. Oh, et de l'autre côté. De l'autre côté. I love stretches, side stretches. And as well, it tells you that it's the end. It's probably why I like that. Moi, j'aime bien les étirements. C'est certainement parce que ça nous dit qu'en fait, c'est la fin de la classe. On revient, les épaules en arrière, and well done. You did it, so well done, guy. And that was your week 6. C'était la semaine 6.